Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I am going to share with you some of the items that I just picked up in Dollar Tree. As you can see, I'm still sitting in the parking lot. Goodwill is right behind me, and right next door to that, I will show you through the window, is Dollar Tree. I hope you were able to see that because I couldn't see in the screen. So yeah, I just walked out and I just wanted to quickly share with you some of the items that I picked up. This is going to be a small haul. I was on my way to the grocery store, but I said, let me stop in Dollar Tree, and I'm happy that I did. So what I picked up today, and I am like just blown away. When I got in the car, I did Google some of the images of what I picked up to see how much they cost. And the cheapest ones that I found for what I'm about to show you was like, I think the cheapest one was like $13, and then they go up higher. And so I thought that was really cool. So I picked up a stack of 2 different colors, and what they are modular wall shelves. You see that? How cool is that? So I picked up 6 of the white ones, and the cool thing is they show you ways that you are able to put them on the wall to kind of decorate and how to use them as shelves or whatever. I was checking. I did not see the 2 screws that come with it. That is supposed to come with it. I didn't see them. So I will just have to stop at, or I think they got screws in Home Depot. I mean, in Dollar Tree. If not, I'll go to Home Depot. But I'm not sure if I'm going to keep them for myself or give them to my mom. They also had black. So I picked them up in black and in white, and I picked up 6 each just in case my mom wants to do like a little pattern or whatever. Or if she doesn't want them, then I'll put them in my daughter's room. I don't know yet, but I just think they were too good to pass up for $12 to get 12 of them. So I picked them up. And to go with it, I went ahead and picked up a level, of course, so that when we are putting them on the wall, we make sure that they're straight. And so, yeah, but that is so cool. Like, I'm just like, I'm really blown away by those. Not that Dollar Tree doesn't put really good stuff, but every now and then they just put something in there that blows me away. And these just happen to be it right now. Okay, moving on really quickly. I picked these up for my daughter. I thought they were super cute. Some pencil grips, and they are little gummy bears, and they're colorful and squishy like, and I just think that she's going to like those. She can keep them, give one to her friend, whoever she want, whatever she want to do with them, but I thought they were cute. And then the last time I was in Dollar Tree, I did see the new LA Colors shiny lipstick, but I didn't see this one, and this one is basically shiny lip gloss. And so I think the shiny lipstick was out though in previous years. I think they bring those ones out when it's Halloween, but I don't remember seeing the gloss. So I just picked up like it's a car next to me leaving, sorry about that, the cream color one, which is called Glimmer, and then this one is like a dark pink kind of color, and it's called Glance. So I'm just going to try those and see if I like them, because I can never have too much lip gloss. So I picked up Pooh Bear two cups. It is a little noisy, you guys. I got the window down because I don't want it to get hot, even though it's overcast today. I'm really excited. It's supposed to rain. You know, we don't get that much rain in California. I always talk about that, so I'm hoping that it just storms. Like, I'm ready for it. So anyways, I picked up him this Black Panther cup. I thought this was super cute. He is going to love this cup. The inside is black. So I picked that one up, and then I picked up 2 of these because I really like this one, and it says Mickey. It is too. And then look at the back of it. I really like this one. So I picked up those 2 along with the one Black Panther. So then the next thing I picked up was this Zest Fruit Boost Peach Mango, and I picked up one of these, but not this fragrance, last year when they first came on the scene at Walgreens, and I liked it, but I just never repurchased it. But I think the one that I had got was berries, which they do also have in Dollar Tree, which is the purple bottle, which is berries, and then they have the red one, which was strawberry, I believe. And anything that's peach, I have to pick it up. So this one is peach mango, and I cannot wait to see what this one smells like. I actually did like the soap when I purchased one last year from Walgreens, but I just, like I said, I never repurchased. So yeah, I like Zest. So then I got this Poodoo, And it's basically a slime, but it says bouncy, stretch and twist, not gross at all, slimy and sticky, but it says bouncy. So I was kind of interested in that one. It is in a little container and it's brown slime. So I just got that to see if the kids will like that. And the last couple things I picked up was I saw this pencil pouch, and I think my daughter will like that. It has the 3 holes on the end on the clear part, and then it opens up right here and right there. Sorry, I got sidetracked. The money truck was going past right here. Have you guys ever just wished, I'm gonna sound bad, but have you ever just wished like maybe you was on the freeway or something and the money truck goes by and you just wish that it just flip over and all the money just fly out like they do in the movies? Would you actually get some of the money, or would you turn it in? Answer that question. Anyways, then they had, I was going to show the bowl first. They've always had these bowls. I picked up one of these, and it's the little garden dish, but I picked it up to put these in, and they brought out, oh my God, these smell so good, the cinnamon scented pine cones. And you only get 3 in a bag, whereas I think like if you go to Walmart or something like that, you can get double that in a bag for like $3 or something like that. But whatever. I picked up these 2 bags with a total of 6 in there, and just to put them in the, in the bowl. These smell so good. You guys know those things smell so good. And last but not least, they had finally, and I think I seen these a while ago. I got a mess in my front seat. I seen these a while ago. I can't remember who showed them on Instagram, but it was I don't remember how long ago. But I was hoping to find them, and I never seen them. But then I have to sometimes remember to go down the toy section. And so finally I found them. And you guys, they are the Disney Tsum Tsums. And remember, they had the Tsum Tsums, the hard toys. They came 3 in a pack, and that was a good deal for $1, because anything Disney or Tsum Tsums, like in Toys R Us and Walmart, they're more than $1. So I did find these finally, and I'm super excited. And these are the little Tsum Tsum character little dolls. They're like little beanbag dolls, and they are just super cute, and they have the little tag on them. So I got 2 of the Pooh Bears because I just had to. Had to do that. Then I got Mickey and Minnie, and she has on a little dress, her little polka dot skirt, and he has his little red bottoms. So, and the cute little bow. So I picked up those 2. Then I got Dumbo and what is his name? Is it Olaf? I think it's Olaf. I can't remember right now. But Dumbo, super cute, and his little tail. So I got those. Then I got Donald with his little bow and his little hat. Super adorable. Eeyore. Look at Eeyore, and he has a little bow on his tail. These are going to be so cute for like stocking stuffers or whatever you may want to use them for. And so yeah, and then you got these 2 right here, and he has on a little sweater. So I just think these are super adorable. I love them, love them, love them, love them. So, oh, I picked up another one of these. I always pick up these for Pooh Bear because he really likes those cups. So that is it. That is what I found today at Dollar Tree. I really didn't plan on going in there today. I was thinking about waiting until tomorrow or the next day. So now I still will probably go tomorrow or the next day, just because I want to go to my favorite store. This was not really my favorite store, but I'm happy I stopped. But I can't wait to get in my favorite store to see what else I find. So thank you guys all for watching. I hope you enjoyed this. I hope you guys are all having a blessed day. And I will talk to you in my next video real soon. Bye.